Hey guys, in this tutorial we will guide you through the simple process of adding a credit card as a payment method in your Shopify store. So let's get started. So first step is to log into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you will manage all the settings for your store. So let's get started. In the bottom left corner there's the settings, so let's click on that. After you are in the settings menu, you will have to find payment options. So let's click on that. In here, you will have there are three options: payment providers, support payment methods, and manual payment methods. I will select add payment methods, so let's click on that. In here, according to my country, I will select my payment method. So let's add my MasterCard here. After selecting MasterCard, it will give you some options. From these options, select Ocean Payment and click Activate. And here, by clicking Connect, you will have access to your payment method by credit card. And there you have it. You have successfully added a credit card as a payment method in your Shopify store. This allows your customer to make purchases conveniently. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Shopify tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. Best of luck for your online store.